A pullback of 4.1% in Optimism is forecasted by August 3 per Traders Union. Let's begin with a glance at the most recent market action. Optimism is now up 0.4% since yesterday and trades just under $0.0855. Now, let's hear from the analysts' side. CoinLore believes the price could be at $0.0868 by August 3, which is nearly 1.5% higher. Optimism is likely to head towards $0.0861 per coin price forecast, with an expected increase of 0.7%. According to CoinCodex, it might edge lower towards $0.0849, around 0.7% down. A different analysis from Traders Union projects Optimism could move downward to $0.082, a potential loss close to 4.1%. And finally, 30 rates points to $0.081 by August 3, 5.3% below current value. This is the highest profit potential we've reviewed. All forecasts are now in. Let's move ahead. After reviewing all 5 projections, here's the numerical breakdown. After pulling together all available outlooks, the market may move between a decline of 5.3% and a gain of 1.5%, depending on the analyst. That makes 30 rates the leader with the highest projected return with 5.3% gain in value by August 3. That means you could earn between $7 and $53 for every $1,000 you invest. Considering the odds, coin price forecast leads with a 87.6% chance of success. With all forecasts taken together, I've produced a consensus outlook. Consensus modeling suggests Optimism is centered around $0.0842. Alright, here's the inside view. Consensus estimates reveal a 1.6% decline in price. And at that exact percentage, your capital could also see growth. With 1,000, the calculation could show about $16 added. This consensus outlook is associated with a likelihood of about 81.8%. Let's pause here and check the 3-day forecasts from analysts. CoinLore projects weaker prices ahead. Coin price forecast projects the price moving north in the short term. A bearish stance is reflected in CoinCodex's forecast. Similarly, Traders Union anticipates downward movement in the near term. Likewise, 30 rates expects Optimism to head lower. The consensus points to Optimism trading below current levels during this horizon. So, the shared outcome highlights that the majority see Optimism falling. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were made. Let's check which ones matched the move. As a result, yesterday's chart closed at $0.083. With this result, the majority were right about the move. The best aligned prediction with the market came from CoinDataFlow. Let's move on to the breakdown. In yesterday's move, 4 forecasts landed inside the candle. Looking at ROI, not everyone lost. The top positive result came in at 2.7%. Here's the full table showing how every forecast performed. With 75.9% forecast probability and accuracy, CoinDataFlow achieved an ROI of 2.7%. Can you spot the forecast that held up best? Let's check how tomorrow's projected gains line up for Optimism and a few selected assets. Out of all forecasted returns, Optimism stands highest with 1.6%. For now, we're comparing Optimism with 4 randomly picked cryptocurrencies. More forecasts and useful tools are already available on my website. You've made it to the end, which means you're serious about staying informed. If that's true, hit like. Catch you in the next forecast summary.